my name is Emma. I'm a sophomore and I'm a nursing major, at least for right now, but that honestly might change because I'm not exactly sure about it. And then for some of my hobbies, I really like to dance. I also really like to go hiking with my dog and my friends. Um, I really like to watch movies and color, paint, anything that's like creative and outdoors, I'm very much into. And then something I can eliminate in my daily life, I would say, stop saying yes to everyone, because I think that's a really bad habit we all have, and we need to start saying no when we want to. So, and then for my favorite quote, I would say it's with every difficulty you face comes opportunity, which I really agree with because like every task, no matter like what it's for, or how hard it becomes for you, something good will come out of it, no matter how big or how small. So you just gotta push through and keep with it. So yeah, I look forward to meeting the rest of y'all, and